Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Today we are going to discuss the replacement cost of the Ford F-150 rear differential. The cost of replacing the Ford F-150 rear differential, including parts and labor, is quite high. On average, a complete rear differential replacement will cost around $1,800. In this video, you will get proper information about the replacement cost of the Ford F-150 rear differential for various models. Let's begin. The Ford F-150 differential cost of replacement depends on what type of parts should be replaced. Number 1. Bearing replacement cost. The Ford F-150 rear differential bearing replacement cost would range from $250 to $300 including labor charges. Number 2. Clutch pack replacement cost. In this case, the replacement cost ranges from $745 to $900 including labor charges. Number 3. Pinion replacement cost. Including parts, price, and labor charges will range between $1,550 and $1,850. Number 4. Gear replacement cost. The gear and rear end bearing replacement cost are around $250 including labor charges. Finally, the rear differential replacement cost may vary for different year models of Ford F-150. Hope you now got some ideas. Thanks for watching.